I'm Harry Lockley, 22 years of age, played left back for Denbigh Town, and I had a kidney transplant October last year. When I was about 5 years of age, I was diagnosed with Alport syndrome, which is a genetic condition that damages the tiny vessels in your kidneys, ultimately leading to kidney failure later on in life. I went for my routine check like I normally do, and my blood tests weren't quite right, so kidney function was dropping quite frequently. So yeah, that was sort of the beginning of the kidney failure. Yeah. At that time, it's still okay because it was managed with different types of medication for blood pressure and stuff like that. But then it reached a point probably around winter time of 2022, and the talk of dialysis was then sort of becoming like real. I wasn't very well for quite a long period of time. I was sort of in and out of hospital with headaches, sickness. I had to give up football because I was sort of overexerting my body really when I shouldn't have. And there was an evening game here in January where I came on as a sub and I just disappeared off the pitch because I wasn't very well. I felt I couldn't breathe.
Ni'n chwarae ma'r noswener ag ddoth o ar am hanner awr ola a nath o just clapsio lawr ag doedd o ddim yn brofiad sy'n ni'n oedd o'n afiach dy gwir ag ar y caru fo oddi ar y cae ac ar ymlaen fo 10 ddyn ag oedd o'n beichio creu cadur.
So it was the 16th of October around 5 o'clock, and so I'd adjusted to life on dialysis. I'd been on for about 6 months. And yeah, I just got home from work, doing normal things that you do and not expecting it, and it come through on like a no-caller ID. It was a doctor from Liverpool saying they found a matching kidney for me. It didn't feel real at first, a bit scared, but sort of, oh, I don't know if I want to do this because of the risks, obviously, of the surgery and that. But yeah, it's really hard to explain what's going through your mind at that point.
Ges I text un noson yn dweud, oedd ni gyd rownd y bwrdd bwyd fi a'n heulu ag Harry'n text yn dweud, Dew, bit random, but I'm on the way for a transplant. Mae'n anodd iawn beidio bod yn emosiynol am y beth. Gymaint o effaith mae criw o hogiau da yn gallu cael ar effaith un hogyn. Ag y ffordd arall, un hogyn yn cael effaith mor fawr ar y clwb I gyd. So, yeah. Wel, mae'n byd yno fo.
Harry's, well, my twin brother, and we've kicked the ball together since we were about 3. The last 6 to 9 months since he's had the transplant has been amazing, really. It's been special to watch him come back, basically get his life back on track, and it's nice to see him enjoying every single minute of it. It makes you realise how special having the ability to play football is, because to him, football's everything, and it was taken away from him. We spent 9 months just not playing, and it was difficult to watch him struggle without it, but like I say, since he's been back, it's put a smile on my face watching him play.
So during the last sort of month, life has been incredible because I was able to go and represent England transplant team in a World Cup in Italy. So the team is full of players who have all had transplants of a sort, so kidney, lung, heart, and yeah, I couldn't say no really. So I managed 8 goals while I was over there. Some French lad beat me to the top goal scorer, but it's all right. Pivotal moment really, because you know now that all going well, you'll be able to crack on with the things that you have the idea of doing in the future, and what you really want to do, especially as a young lad. I count myself as fortunate that I was able to have a transplant and crack on, and there's people out there who might be watching this and thinking, oh, there's no chance I'll be able to go and do that, or no chance, but there really is, and that's the important thing to remember.